Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is the last of the newly released Lina nail art stamping plates. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Lina Nail Art Licensed to be Sexy 02. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my Tiffany Duo clear stamper and a scraper. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start with a coral nail tip and a sparkly burgundy stamping polish. I love the sort of metallic finish to this stamping polish, and when it's combined with this beautiful design over the coral, it looks brilliant. This is fast becoming a very popular colour for me to use. For the next swatch I'm going to be using a green nail tip along with a white stamping polish. I don't stamp a lot with white. Sometimes it can be hit or miss whether I can get a good clean and clear stamp, but over the green this lace design really does stand out well. I want to use this image for a full mani. I think it would look amazing. For the next swatch I'm going to use a pink nail tip and a dark blue stamping polish. I wanted something different over the pink, and I always seem to use purple. I love these netting designs, however I can't think that I've ever made a mani using one. Might have to change that, but I really like the blue over the pink, it looks stunning. For the next swatch I'm going to be using a red nail tip along with a black stamping polish. Red and black lace is a classic. Once I've picked up the image I'll just clean off the excess side image and then I'll stamp down. Now sometimes when using black over red it doesn't always work. It definitely has to be a bright red for it to work well, but this image is beautiful and I would wear this as a whole mani. For the next swatch I'm going to use a purple nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. Now I was slightly disappointed with this swatch. I think maybe I should have used a different stamping polish, probably lighter, but it's still a really good swatch though, and something I would wear. I would definitely change the colouring though, I think. And then here they are all together, so let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I have created from Lina Nail Art Licensed to be Sexy 02. Licensed to be Sexy 02 is just packed full of amazing lace designs, of which there is 30 images. Some of them are full images and some of them are what I call half designs. Now 2 of the images I used black as the stamping polish. In person they look really good, but on camera a little harder to see. So I've taken a closer photo just to show you how stunning they look. I already have Licensed to be Sexy 01 and I loved it, so I sort of knew that it would be the same for 02. In the description box is the link for my Lina playlist where you'll find 01. If you love lace designs then you'll love Licensed to be Sexy range. For me there isn't one image I wouldn't use. When I saw that it was one of the new releases I was like, do I really need another lace plate, as I have quite a few? But it is just amazing, so the answer is a firm yes, and it hasn't disappointed me at all. But to be fair, I've loved all 5 of the new plates and I can't wait to see what they come out with next. As with the last 3 Lina plates, I've again made 2 manis. There was just so many images I wanted to use. Licensed to be Sexy 02 would also work well with the Make Your Mark 08 and definitely Opposites Attract. I might have to see if I can make something using them. So out of the 5, is there a favourite for you? I don't think I can actually pinpoint a favourite for me because I just love them all in their own individual way. These are 5 fantastic stamping plates now added to my collection and I'm so happy with them. So for the first mani I went with a red and black lace theme mani. You might have already seen this in the Blue Sky Gel Polish swatch review that I did. Now with the images, what I did was to make each nail slightly different, was to move each middle gap. So one is quite high, another is quite low. It just adds something different to the design. But I absolutely love this mani. It's a real classic colour combo. For the second mani, I used a bright blue gel polish. Again, you might have seen this in the Blue Sky review. So with this design, there was two images that I really liked. So I teamed them together using a pale blue stamping polish. Again, I really like this mani. I don't often see blue lace designs, so I thought it might be something different, but it's gorgeous though. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art Licensed to be Sexy 02. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.